Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it's up to you. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So basically this is how it will look like after entering the contact without any picture assigned. So all you have to do is to tap on this icon or add photo, and here we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Okay, finish this action. It's up to you how you want to do it. So now let's simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see in this section, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out. We can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, you can rotate the picture and then tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list also, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.